Wise Agent's Lead Pipeline is a smart CRM automation feature that gives you a clear, visual way to track and manage leads through every stage of your business. Lead Pipeline allows you to create clear, structured workflows that reflect how you move your leads through the transaction process, from initial contact all the way to closing. Each stage in your pipeline can also trigger smart automations like drip campaigns and team alerts, helping you stay organized and proactive. In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to create your pipeline, customize the stages, set up automations, and start moving your leads forward with confidence. To get started, click on Contacts, then select Lead Pipeline. You'll land on the Lead Pipeline overview page where you'll see a quick explanation of how it works along with a visual example of how your pipeline flows inside Wise Agent. From here, click Create a Pipeline. By default, you'll see a buyer pipeline, but you can rename it to create anything you'd like. You might create a seller pipeline, a combined buyer and seller pipeline, or even an agent recruiting pipeline if you're a broker. Once you've named your pipeline, you'll choose which statuses to add it to and arrange their order. In Wise Agent, statuses are used to label where a contact is in the transaction process. The steps in your pipeline correspond directly with these contact statuses, giving you a visual way to see exactly where each client stands and move them forward as they progress. New statuses will appear at the bottom, and you can drag and drop them into your preferred order. If there are any statuses you don't plan to use in your pipeline, simply click the X to remove them. When everything looks good, click Save Settings. Before adding contacts to your lead pipeline, you'll want to set up your automations. Under Pipeline Settings, click Automations and Alerts, and then Set Up Automations. Here you can create team alerts and drip campaign triggers to help stay on top of your pipeline leads automatically. Team alerts notify you or another team member by email, text, or both if a lead in a specific status goes unclaimed or uncontacted within a time frame you choose. For example, if a new lead enters your pipeline and isn't contacted within 1 hour, the assigned team member will automatically receive a notification. Drip campaign triggers allow you to automate follow-up communication with your pipeline leads. For example, when a contact moves into attempted, you can automatically add them to a specific drip campaign that you have created in your Wise Agent account. And once you're finished, click Save Settings. You can edit or delete automations anytime using the pencil or trash can icons. To add contacts, click Add Contacts. A slide-out panel will appear where you can filter your Wise Agent contacts list by category or other search criteria. Select individual contacts or choose them in bulk, then add them into your pipeline. Once added, you'll immediately see where each client sits in your process based on their status. If you notice contacts under a Need Status Update column, it simply means their previous status doesn't exist in this pipeline. You'll need to update their status manually or review their contact record to determine the correct placement. Another way to add contacts to your pipeline is from the Contact Summary page. Simply use the drop-down to add them to the lead pipeline. Please note that these contacts can only be in one pipeline at a time. Moving contacts to the next stage of your pipeline is simple. Just click and drag them from one status to another. When you do this, Wise Agent automatically updates their contact record and triggers any automations connected to that status change. To remove a contact from a pipeline, you can click their name in the pipeline and select Remove from Pipeline. The lead pipeline includes built-in filters allowing you to view contacts by assigned team member, rank, and source. You can also perform bulk actions directly from the pipeline view, including updating categories, assigning sources, adjusting ranks, and adding contacts to a call list. If a status includes an automation trigger, you'll see an icon that you can click to view the automation details. Wise Agent's lead pipeline brings clarity and structure to your workflow, making it easier to stay consistent with every lead and close more deals. If you have any questions or would like help setting up your pipeline, our Wise Agent support team is available 24/7 and always happy to assist. You can reach us by sending an email to help@wiseagent.com or by phone at 480-836-0345. We're here to help you feel confident using every part of your CRM. Thanks again for being part of the Wise Agent community.